Guys, just wanted to get on here and go over the Transcendentalism project with you, just in case you needed some more clarification. If you look, you'll see the major precepts or concepts of Transcendentalist thought. You have nonconformity, self-reliance, free thought, confidence, importance of nature, simplicity, and the society's effect on the individual. So keep those in mind when you are working on this project. Everything should fall back onto one of these 7 precepts of Transcendentalist thought. The first thing you must do is create a soundtrack, and you are representing ideas and values of Transcendentalism, and then you're also finding songs of today's society. And with how things are going in today's society, I'm sure you guys would find lots of examples. I'm looking for 2 songs each. So I'm looking for 2 songs that relate to Transcendentalism and 2 songs that represent today. I know it says in 2016. I apologize for that. I've been doing this project for a while, and I just never got a chance to change the date on it, but you get the drift. I can't even talk. So, for each song, you must provide the lyrics to the song, and then you must write a well-developed paragraph describing how those lyrics relate to either Transcendentalism or today's society. So just to sum up, you'll have a total of 4 songs, each with the lyrics and a paragraph. Number 2, you must write a dialogue in which a Transcendentalist, it can be Emerson or Thoreau, one of them has a conversation with someone from today's society. In the dialogue, you must have them discuss, compare, and argue about what is important to them. The dialogue must be 2 pages, but it can be double-spaced. If you want an example or examples of some prior dialogues, I'll be happy to send them to you. Just let me know. Number 3, you are looking for examples of Transcendentalist thinking in popular culture. Popular culture can be anything, really, as long as it's considered popular right now. Some genres that you can look at are TV, cartoons, movies, commercials, newspapers, magazines, music, poetry, art, photography, social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, all of those are considered popular culture. So, find for me examples for each of the 7 precepts up here. So, for example, nonconformity. What is something in popular culture that is nonconformity? What is something in popular culture that is self-reliance, free thought? So for each of these 7 precepts, I need an example from popular culture. Now, down here where it says look for examples from multiple genres, that means I don't want you to pick 7 movies. I don't want you to pick 7 musical acts or whatnot. I want you to find at least 3 different genres. So, again, if you have any issues with that, please email me and let me know. Number 4, I want a creative piece demonstrating your understanding of Transcendentalism. It says, let your insight and intuition direct you. I know we really haven't been able to discuss Transcendentalism, but it's really about, your own self, your individualism, and how you connect with nature. And I don't know if you recall in the room, but I had a lot of nature-looking paintings around my room. Those are perfect examples of what you can use, what you can do. You can actually go outside and create some sort of sculpture with sticks. I don't, care as long as you are being creative and demonstrating that you do understand kind of the ideals of this unit. I would show you examples, but they're all in my classroom, and I'm not going in there anytime soon. It's going to have to go through like 3 or 4 deep cleanings before I go back in there. So if you have any issues or concerns, or you want to know if a certain project you're thinking of doing would work, that's fine. If you don't mind, just taking a picture of your creative piece and sending it to me through email, and that will be the best way for me to be able to grade you. I hope all of you are doing well today, and I will talk to you soon.